I'm sure people know this. Jaren and I will be having a song out. And abangan, June 28th is my album launch. Sky's the limit, so you guys will be able to see us perform together our very own song. So, abangan!
Oy, yan ang dapat
nasusuportahan natin for sure. At syempre, they want to hear more from our PBB idols. Diba? Kaya eto na, i-welcome natin muli on stage one of our PBB Gen 11 Big Four, the Singing Guwapa of Cebu!
Palakpakan natin, Kai Montinola!
Let's go! If you're looking for Mr. Right, see the magic to change your mind. Not an easy answer. Coming down, but still stuck. Full of honey, just to make it sweet. Crystal body, just your heart can feel. He's been missing. Coming down, but still got high. Did you boys just hear the beat of the music? It's just from a secret motion. I'm thinking fall in love. Who's not the happy broken? Why don't you be enough? Are you really watching me? How can I feel that's your pain? It's hard like magic, and it's hard like magic. It's just from a secret motion. Why don't you put it all in line? Who's not the happy broken? Who keep you up all night? Are you really watching me? How can I feel that's your pain? It's hard like magic, and it's hard like magic. If you're looking for Mr. Right, that magic to change your mind, but not an easy answer. Coming up, but still got time. But you always need to repeat it to me and say, success from a secret motion. I'm not too far from now. It's not what can be broken. What just should be enough? Why you feel up to me? How can I feel that your pain is hard like magic, and it's hard like magic. Success from a secret motion. Why don't you all be mine? It's not what can be broken. It's keep you up all night. Why you feel up to me? How can I feel that your pain is hard like magic, and it's hard like magic. You're sitting and looking at my door. Don't know what it is, but the first one more. Don't know what it is, but the first one more. Don't know what it is, but the first one. Tasting from a secret potion, I make you fall in love. There's nothing can be broken, won't just should be enough. Will you belong to me? I got the rest of me, it's hard like magic. It's hard like magic.
Grabe yun, Kai. Oh my goodness. Carabel, nasa ka na? Ayan, na-stun ako. Nakalimutan ko may trabaho pala ako. Nagtitig ako ng video.
Pati yung mga dancers yan. Palakpakan din natin.
Yes, of course. Palakpakan naman natin mga dancers na kasama ni Kai. Ladies and gentlemen, again, ang ating singing gumawa ng Cebu, Kai Montinola. Palakpakan din natin. Sobra multi-talented. Grabe.
Oo, gusto ko tanungin ha.
Go
Kasi
ahead.
syempre, after leaving ang bahay ni Kuya, gusto ko malaman paano nagbago ang buhay ng isang Kai Montinola.
Grabe. I guess I can say that I've always been the same person. I came inside Kuya's house with dreams. Left living those dreams. And all those learnings inside Kuya's house. Kaya, sorry, hinihingal pa ako. I would like to say talaga, thank you Kuya sa bahay niyo. I love it. Ginagawa ko ng mga gusto kong gawin. And as long as I can make you guys happy, it makes me happy as well. Thank you so much.
Yes, and we know na ang dami mong pinasaya ngayong araw na to, di ba? Ayan, sa mga performance.
Since namin sa naging exclusive interview namin with Beanie, kung sakaling magkakaroon kayo ng MMK episode, sino ang gusto nyong bumida and why? Si Beanie Sheena, of course, kakatapos lang. Nung tinanong namin si Aya Arceta, nagaling din sa Cebu, ang sabi ni Beanie Aya, ang gusto niya raw gumanap bilang siya sa MMK, if ever, ay ikaw, Kai. What's your reaction? Grabe yung tiwala sa iyo ni Aya, and marami siya actually na sinasabing good things about you.
Really?
Oo, ano reaction mo kung ikaw daw mag-MMK sa buhay niya?
Alam mo, nakakakilala
Actually, syempre, idol mo nang nagsabi niyan. And actually, Ate Aya and I, we met before all of this, before her being Beanie and me and PBB. Kasi we were in a modeling workshop before. So, kilala na kasi Ate Aya. Pero when I saw that, people were tagging me online na, hello, sabi ni Beanie Aya, gusto niya daw ikaw yung magaganap sa kanya. Sabi ko, weh. Tapos chinek ko, oo nga. Sabi ko, stop, don't do me like that. Pero kinilig ako, if ever it'll happen, I'm so open to doing it.
Ay, grabe yun ang aabangan natin. Ayan na, narinig natin.
Actually, panawagan na to sa ABS. Ma'am Sharo, baka nanonood po kayo or makakarating sa inyo to. Pwede, di ba?
Again, palakpakan natin kay Motinola!
Nabitin ba kayo, guys? Alam mo, this next song, it's actually a duet. Pero, wala akong ka-duet. So, there's this one song by Cup of Joe. It's called Tingin. Sinong may alam ng Tingin? Sino? Raise your hand. Alam mo yung lyrics? Ikaw. Alam mo? You know it? If you really know it, come here. Come here. Meron po tayong mic. Dito. You know what? Ako na susundo sa'yo po. Oh, cutie. Ikaw, you know it. Eh di ikaw na. Hello. Okay lang? Okay lang, ate? Yes po. You know it? Yeah, I know it. Let's do it. Let's sing it. I want you to sing it with me. Ayan, ate. What's your name? Zoe. Palakpakan naman natin si Zoe. Bawat sikita, nagdarama ng tama. Nagsiwa sa'yong putis na kayo manggit. Pero sa atin umawala. Napansin, ingay sa tabi. Magulo ka kaibigan, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikikutin ng nanalang sa gitama ng daan. Sa bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamasdan. Sa mga kapong kinikinatira kong gawaan. Wala kita bakit sa ikaw isip ikaw lang ang nagmamakas. Sige Zoe, kahit mapinulating salita, ika'y pinumuya na. Gusto lang ang makakakit, di pala lamusin, pagkasara ng mawala. Di na mawala. Everybody say! Di na pansin, di na sa dabi, nagulo ka paligiran, sulola sa tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikikutin ng nalala sa gitama ng daan. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you, Zoe. For this next song naman, I would love to dedicate this to everyone in here. This is actually a perfect song. Hello! This is the perfect song to dedicate to all of you here. Sa mga OFWs, mag-ingay. What's up? And of course, everyone else in here. Everyone, this is dedicated for all of you. And most especially dedicated for my parents, who are here right now, sitting in here. And Jaren's parents as well, Tito Jo and Tito Bor. Ayun. For the parents as well. So, here is Mapa.
Mama, kamusta na di na? Tayong laging nagkikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang tayong nagkita, di ba pwede ikaw muna aking mangpangamba? Dahil ikaw ang aking mata sa tuwing mundo, nag-iiwanan ng aking pagkita. Sumama with me. Kaya huwag ka tayo, ibigin ang pag-alan. Ako nang bahala, mas masarap isang pagkakawa. Ako na, tara-tara, pahinga muna. Ako na, sing along with me please. Malalay, pinipang kong matata na pahinga muna. Ako nang bahala, is masaya, isang ginagawa na pa. Pahinga muna, ako na. Tara-tara, 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 I love you, Ma. Love you, Pa. This is for everyone, dedicated for all the parents out there. Sa mga nagtatrabaho for their family, whether you may be a parent, a guardian, o kaya nagtatrabaho lang for your family, know that we all love you so much. We all appreciate your hard work. And one day it will all pay off. So give a round of applause for yourselves. Doon na lang ang sahod. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa kamo. Nais kong malaman mo iyo ko palagi.
Yes! Once again, mga kapamilya, mga ka-Dubai, palakpakan natin Kai and Jaren! Tuwang-tuwa sila. We can see it in their faces na talagang pinasaya nyo. First time nilang pumunta dito sa Dubai. So maraming salamat sa ating mga kababayan na pumunta dito. At
That's right. Oh, huling message na lang of course sa ating mga kapamilyas here at inyong mga fans. Go ahead.
Yes, to add up onto that, thank you, salamat. Salamat! Ano ba salamat sa Bisaya? Salamat lagi hapon! Salamat everybody! Okay? Salamat for coming. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Yes.